Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a review on this Creatology paper craft kit Christmas tree. I got this at Michael's and it is a 12 pack. So this would be good if you are in guides or scouts or if you're just having a party, and it's a good activity for kids. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to open it and see the quality that you're getting for $12 for 12 of these. So apparently, according to the instructions, it has everything. 12 plates, 12 shapes, 60 stickers, 12 felt stickers, 48 double-sided adhesive dots, 12 pom-poms, and 12 pieces of string. So let's go ahead and rip this right open. There we go. Now there are instructions that come with it on how to do this, and it is telling us to refer to the photo at the front. We're basically going to tie the tree onto it and then decorate. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way, and we will see everything that's in here. So we have the pom-poms, the string, all these different decorations, and they are stickers, all the little trees, some garland. These are the dots so that you don't need glue. And then a little bag that says enhanced sheets. I have no idea what we would do with this. So let's take one plate, one tree, and I just noticed there's a little bit of bark on the trees. One sheet of stickers. Again, this would be really great if you were doing a group activity with lots of people. And there are the little cutouts. So let's go ahead and tie the string. So far, I'm actually pretty impressed with this. There's the string, and we'll move the pom-poms out of the way. So we have to push these out. Are they pushing out easy? Yeah, sort of. Okay, I'm going to speed this along and just use my scissors. So if you're doing this with scissors, make sure you have someone to help you. Okay, let's pop them out. So far, this looks pretty easy. There we go. Is that one on the side? No, that's just an imprint. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing to the tree. We want to make sure that they line up so we can sew it on or thread it through. It doesn't have a little needle, so that might be a little bit harder to pop them through. I don't know. Okay. I wish they had these all popped out. That's one thing. I like Michael's kits. They tend to be pretty easy. So let's go ahead. There we go. We'll move those all out of the way. And we will start with the string. So we're going to just loop it through. Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking a needle. Yeah, a needle would definitely be easier. Okay. So I do have a plastic needle that came in a different kit. I don't know if the hole is going to be too big. If not, the string is untwisting, so I'm not liking that part. Might be harder for younger kids. There we go. Now let's see if we can push it through. Yeah, that is so much easier. So you're going to want a plastic sewing needle. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard. And I just realized we should have started at the bottom and come up, because we're going to want to tie a knot in this. There we go. So we're just going to slide it through. And based on our instructions, we're just going to go across the tree so it looks like garland. So we'll go up and through this one. And it's going to hold it down. There. And I'm going to make sure I hold this part, because maybe we can just tape it down. I don't know. And then we'll line up with the next hole. I don't know. There we go. I guess if you line it up, it'll be a little bit easier through the next one. Where's the hole? There. Okay. So you're definitely going to want some sort of plastic or sewing needle. If not, it's going to be really hard to sew the thread through. I wish they had have included that. And if the holes on the tree would line up to the plates, that would be even better. I'm gonna have to adjust it again. So if you have young kids, this kit does say 6 years plus. You may need to help them because I can see how this would be very frustrating for a small child. If I put the needle through, it's not lining in. So they're not lining up completely. There we go. Every time I shift sides, see, it's trying to go up into that one. Well, it is pretty quick so far. Oh, and there we have that little piece of foam. Let's push that out of the way. Okay, it's looking cute. The needle is definitely helpful. Where's the hole this time? There it goes. So again, if you have a group, you're probably going to want to have some adults to help with this for the younger ones. And if you're doing this just at home, some patience to line these up. I think this is one of the first Michael's crafts that I'm not actually happy with. Now we have extra holes for the tree at the top. Yeah. If you look at that, I have 2 here, but there's no more holes for the plate. Oh, because I missed one here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just go back up and through. That's because these holes were not lining up properly. And then we will push this one back through this hole. Never give up when we're crafting. And then I think the easiest way is to just tie a knot. Now, I don't know what we would do with this when we're done. Maybe connect them all together if you're a group and make like a garland out of them. Put a magnet on the back. I don't know. Okay, let's tie this into a knot. That way we can get to work with the actual stickers. There we go. And we'll cut this off. Okay, look at all the dots. Let's clean that up really quick. There we go. So there is our tree. And now apparently this is the tree skirt. So let's pull it off. Ah, there's the little hole for the base of the tree. So it's going to stick right there. And it should be a sticker. There we go. And we'll line it up. Well, that part's cute. Look at that. Now, where's our decorations? So I'm thinking we should probably put a star on the top of the tree. I have an angel on my tree at home. So let's, oh my goodness. These are not the quality that they usually are. We'll stick that there. And then we can put some ornaments on. I wonder if I can just peel the whole backing off. No, we're going to have to do one at a time. And we can just stick them just like that anywhere on there. There we go. I guess kind of line them up with the string, the garland. Okay. Now, oh, I got 2 together. Let's put one of these little bells on here. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. Look at that. Those stickers are not peeling off as nicely as they should. So now that we've done that, I guess we could put the rest. Oh, that one didn't even stick. Oh, I forgot the backing. That's why. There we go. Let's try the pom-poms. For these, we're supposed to use these little sticker dots. See how easy these are to peel off. Oh, I think that one was a dud. Let's try another one. Okay, so we'll stick it there and then try to peel the top off. There we go. Can you see the little bit of glue there? And then we will open these. What color pom-pom should we use? This is sealed really good. Okay. Let's get them out. Oh, little mess. Let's do a yellow. Now, is it going to stick? And it is. Okay. Let's do a couple more of those. These sticker dots, I don't know. Maybe we should have just used our own glue. Yeah, that one doesn't work either. I don't know. This is not a good kit so far. Stick it down. And then, oh, a little bit of glue. Peel it up. Yeah, I think you're going to need a little bit of patience for these. But again, if you're doing this with some older kids for that one doesn't stick either, for a nice Christmas project, let's try the glue stick. See if that works a little bit better. And see. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to suggest use a glue stick. That way they can stick them down wherever they want, wherever you want. Let's put another little blue one. And you don't have to deal with glue dots. Let's put a little pink one on there. Where is it? There's a blue. I saw a pink. Come on. Or white glue, any type of glue that's not these little glue dots. They seem to be defective. I don't know if we got a bad one. I don't know. But there is our craft. Oh, that one is not sticking even with the glue. I don't know. Pretty cute. Again, you could have the children write their names. You could write your names. You could hang them in your window. For $11.99 for 12, I guess it's a good price. Would I recommend it? Probably not, with the issues of the holes not lining up, the glue dots just not sticking. I think you might be better off just to buy some paper plates and let the kids have at it. That's it for now, guys. I will see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe and share your artwork with me on Instagram.